Hey, and welcome to Lowe's Quick Dish Soul Food. Let's see what's on the menu today. We are cooking ham hocks and green beans, butter beans. I haven't had that in such a long time. Here's my favorite pot. Let's see what the ham hocks are doing. I put them in salt water, clean them off real good. That seasoning you see around the top of the pot, they've been on for about not quite an hour. And ham hocks take at least 2 to 3 hours to cook. At least 2 hours. So here are my seasonings I'm using today. This is, let's get it, the complete accent. So turmeric. Turmeric is good for joint pain. Meat tenderizer, onion, parsley, and black pepper. And fresh garlic, and here are the baby lima beans. That's gonna make a healthy, hearty meal. You have your meat with the ham hocks and your vegetable, baby limas. Thanks for joining me. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you get to the end of this video, give me a holler and subscribe so I can give you a big warm welcome to the family. So I put the beans in, and this is what we get for dinner. Ham hocks, lima beans, with all those seasonings there. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit.